If you've been around phone arena for long enough, you may have seen those folding smartphone concepts, most notably the one from Samsung, where a single screen folds down the middle, transforming the device from a mini tablet to a classic smartphone and vice versa. The ZTE Axon M is built around that same idea, but realizes it through a much more straightforward approach. Basically, it's a foldable dual-screen Android smartphone with two 5.2-inch displays held together by a hinge. It must be pointed out that the ZTE Axon M is neither a concept, nor a prototype. In fact, you can get one from AT&T today for $725. This also gets you a decent set of specs, including a Snapdragon 821, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of storage, all packed in a body made of glass and metal. But ultimately, is the Axon M a multimedia and multitasking powerhouse, or is its dual-screen design mostly a gimmick? We used it as a daily driver to find out. In the box: ZTE Axon M, USB-C to USB, a charging cable and wall adapter, micro USB to USB-C adapter, SIM tool, getting started guide and warranty information. Display: each 5.2-inch display on the Axon M has a 1080p resolution, but a combined screen of 6.75 inches is created when the device is unfolded. While details were generally well represented with very good viewing angles to match, the display could lean towards a yellowish hue. Furthermore, our unit seemed to have a slightly dimmer secondary display compared to the main screen. When watching videos in extended mode, you can't help but lament the obtrusive black bar placed smack dab in the middle of your content. Otherwise, we did enjoy using the screens independently to view separate media or mirror the same content for another viewer.